The Jeannot NC33 follows one main idea, having all areas of life on a single level, like an apartment on the water. The second generation offers comfortable cabins and a very well-balanced hull, identical to the 2017 Best of Boats Award winner, Leader 33. For the third generation of the successful commuter boat Targa 27, the hull and deck have been completely redesigned. But the characteristics of a classic Targa are still there, such as the extremely solid construction, excellent driving, and safety first as a concept. With the Parker Monaco 110, the Polish shipyard has changed boat classes, from compact cabin boats to a grown-up motor yacht. The 10-meter boat combines a spacious cruiser with the performance and ease of use advantages of current outboard boats.